Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Stripe to secure payment UI for your checkout, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Stripe, begin by creating a Stripe account if you don't have one. Go to the Stripe website and click on the Start Now button. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After confirming your email, log into your Stripe dashboard. Next, navigate to the API Keys section found under the Developers tab. Here you will find your publishable and secret keys. For security reasons, keep your secret key confidential. Install a Stripe client library in your project environment. For JavaScript, use npm to install by running npm install Stripe. Import the Stripe library into your project files using the appropriate method. Initialize the Stripe object with your publishable key. Create a payment form UI on your web page. Ensure the form contains an input field for card details provided by Stripe elements. This will secure sensitive card information during the transaction. Add a submission handler for your payment form. In this handler, collect the card details and use Stripe's API to create a token. Send this token to your server securely. On the server side, use the secret key to validate the token. Create a backend endpoint to manage payment requests. In the backend, integrate the Stripe library. Use the charge function to process the payment with the provided token. Handle any possible errors gracefully. Return a success or failure response to your frontend. Update the UI based on the payment status response. Test the entire payment flow using Stripe's test card numbers. Finally, switch to live mode when you are ready for production. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.